My name is Miss Blooms. This short video will show you simple steps to book a free installation service from our Blooms app. Tap download link provided. It brings you to one of the 3 app stores. Or search for Blooms, download like any other app. Blooms app starts up, and from the main page, select your location. It brings you to the many home service choices. Scroll to free service. Tap to select, and it brings you to the service page. Installation examples. Prices. FAQs. And customer care contact. Now, let's book a free installation. If it's your first time, you have to set up your contact details once. Input your name, contact number, and address, so that our crew can locate your home. Now that we have an address, let's choose the correct house type. For this example, we select to install a fan. You can also tell us more, with descriptions, or upload photos of your fan. Next, schedule a time for us to visit you. From our booking calendar, choose your preferred date and time. Let's book on a Monday, the 27th of February, at 10 a.m. in the morning. Confirm the time slot, and now, you can view the order summary. There are 3 payment methods: by cash, e-wallet, or credit card. Let's select cash. If everything is good, place and submit the order. You get instant confirmation.